Students, very good morning once again. I am explaining. My name is Vinay, botany lecturer. Okay, Vinay Nagar. In that, Vinay मेरा नाम, right? Vinay, botany lecturer, 17 years experience. Okay, especially I am teaching NEET. Okay, NEET classes. For you, I am explaining practical examination. This is the third question. Physiology experiment. That is a physiology experiment. The third experiment. This carries 6 marks. Okay, this is the physiology, third question. Question number C, 8th question. They are called 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. This is the 8th question or question number C. In this, 1, 2, 3 and 4 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. Out of 4, the first 3 are deleted. The first 3 means potato osmoscope, then plasmolysis, then transpiration by cobalt chloride. The 3 are deleted. Only 4th one is there. That 4th experiment is called paper chromatography. Paper chromatography. Paper chromatography. Only one experiment. Before test, this is actually this physiology experiment, that is jumbling system is there. One will come out of 4, one will come. But now this corona season, that's why the 3 are deleted. Only one is there. That one is must and should compulsory one question. Remaining options are there. Either first Solanaceae or Fabaceae will come. Solanaceae or Liliaceae will come, and the dicot stem, monocot stem, dicot root, monocot root will come. Okay, then Spartus, in the Spartus one will come. Okay, we don't know what will come, but in the physiology experiment, that 4th experiment, this is compulsory experiment, paper chromatography. You have to must and should read this experiment. What you have to write in the experiment, first I will explain, then how we have to do the experiment, that also I can explain. First, what we have to do in this experiment, first one aim, then second one principle, then after the third one observation, then last one result or inference. Aim, principle, observation, result or inference. Result and results or influence. Out of, okay, here mainly requirement and procedures are not necessary. Chemicals, requirements, procedure is not necessary. How you have to do that experiment is must and should, but no need to write that one. Only have to write this 4: aim, principle, observation, inference or result. Inference or result. Okay, you have to write this one. In the manual, okay, all you have. First, how to do the experiment, I will explain now how to do the experiment. First, the chromatography experiment purpose, we have to take either spinach leaves or hibiscus leaves, any leaves, especially we are, okay, for the practical examination purpose, spinach leaves are we are taking. Why? Because easily we can grind it, easily we can, okay, here this is the mortar and pestle. In Hindi it is called, okay, rocali and okay, I don't know, okay, right here this is the mortar and pestle. Okay, in Telugu it is called rolu, rokali, right? First we have to, okay, this spinach leaves, take the in a mortar and pestle, okay, you have to grind it with the, okay, mortar and pestle, okay, here the smoothly have to grind it. While we are grinding, add 5 ml of alcohol. This is the ethanol or methanol, either ethanol or methanol. Add the 5 ml of, okay, alcohol in this. Then after this grinding, we filter it by the filter paper. The filter paper is there. Filter it with the funnel. Okay, filter it with the funnel. Then after that, after the filtration, you have to take 1 or 2 drops, 1 or 2 drops by the dropper. Okay, 1 or 2 drops with the dropper. There is a dark green color only. Okay, when it is not grinding, okay, properly, it is light green in color. When we are grind with the, okay, properly when it is grinded, this is the dark green color. With the dropper you have to take it. Then before that you have to take the 100 ml measuring jar. All students they have provide this 100 ml, okay, measuring jar, and this is the chromatography paper. This chromatography paper available in the lab, the chart like structure, the chart. This is the chromatography paper. Actually it is, what is chromatography paper means Watsman filter paper. That easily that filter paper is observe this, okay, solution, right? What is the solution in this taken? This is the petroleum ether and acetone. This is the petroleum ether and acetone. The petroleum ether 9 ml, acetone 1 ml. Okay, petroleum ether 9 ml, 1:9 ratio, otherwise 9:1 ratio. 9 ml petroleum ether, 1 ml, okay, acetone, 1 ml acetone. This is the acetone, this is the petroleum ether. 9 ml petroleum ether, 1 ml acetone. Okay, how to take in the measuring jar, 9:1 ratio. When we observe this is the 10 ml only. Okay, this is the 10 ml is measuring jar. Then how to take this paper, chromatographic paper, based on the length of the this measuring jar. Okay, then how to keep it by the, okay, that ball pin. Okay, like this you have to keep it. Then the paper will be touch in a liquid solution. Okay, then this what we are taken the paper, okay, above the 3 to 5 centimeters, we have to draw the line here. We have to draw the line here 3 to 5 centimeters, like that, a pencil or pen or any pen, you have to draw the line. Why? Because what are the extracted solution? What is the extracted solution? We have to keep on the, okay, line only, right? This extracted solution, okay, here this is on the line, first 1 drop and dry it. Then after that, after the drying, after the turn this side, otherwise 1 more drop here, then dry it. After that 1 more drop, like that 3 to 5 drops you have to keep on that, then dry it. Then after that they observe dark green color. Then after that, okay, this keep on the paper within the measuring jar, within the solution. Then exactly that paper will be touch in a, okay, the paper will be touch in a solution, but what we are drawn that line is the above the water, above the solution, above the solution. Why? Because if it is within the solution, that already they are dissolved in the solution. That's why that line is why what we are line drawn above the solution only, right? Then after that this experiment keep in a, okay, keep in your place. After, okay, after 1 hour or 2 hours, that solution, this is the petroleum ether and acetone, that both contain that low molecular weight, they are evaporate. When we this open this without this rubber stopper, this solution within 10 minutes, this all totally it is evaporated. Why? Because same like petrol. Okay, this is the petroleum ether also that contain low molecular weight. That's why within the high okay, temperature they are, okay, they are evaporated. That's why this come upward slowly. They see this dried paper. They are, okay, when the solution is observed. See here, the moving upward. This is the wet like structure. When it is moving totally upward, okay, within 1 hour, that along with the solution, this what we are extracted, that also come upward. Then the colors based on the density, based on the molecular weight, that 4 colors we can identify on the chromatography paper after 1 hour. Thus based on that, this is the chlorophyll B, then chlorophyll A. The diagram also you have to draw on that. Chlorophyll B, chlorophyll A, carotene, xanthophyll and carotene. These 4 colors we can, okay, like this you have to draw in the meter. Actually not like that. These colors are appear in this. Okay, these colors are appear in this. Chlorophyll B is, this is the dark green color. This is the bluish green color. This is the yellow color. This is the orange color. Okay, orange, yellow, bluish green, dark green. Like that 4 colors we observe after this experiment. Okay, but this experiment is not necessary for the doing. Only what is the procedure, how we can keep this one. Okay, what is the procedure, you have to know that much enough. But experiment doing is not necessary. This third experiment, only that first question and second question slide preparation is must and should. But third question is not necessary for the doing this one. If you want, you can practice that. This is the third experiment. I think all of you this is understood this. Then after that fourth question, next question, okay, that is the fourth question, slides and specimens. Then after that fifth question, fourth question already explained in one more video. The fifth question is record and herbarium. Record already you completed that record work. Record work carries 5 marks, then herbarium that carries 3 marks. The total based on the, okay, first question carries 6 marks, second question 6 marks, third question 6 marks, then fourth question 4 marks, then fifth question, okay, fifth question 5 plus 3 8 marks, the total carries, okay, 30 marks. Okay, when you have record and herbarium only, the college, okay, and means practical examination hall they will allow. Without record, without herbarium, they do not allow the practical examination hall. That's why you have to purchase herbarium in the college. Okay, the college will be provide to be herbarium. Okay, you also go to as early possible. You take the herbarium. Why? Because you have to write your name, what are the plants we are collected, that all you have to write the scientific name, common name, and what is the, okay, where you are collected, who, what is the name, you have to remember that. Viva will ask that. That's why you have to purchase the herbarium also. Without herbarium, they never give 30 marks. The 30 marks, okay, this more marks are there. Without herbarium, they do not allow the practical examination hall. That's why you have to purchase the herbarium within the college. Okay, it is compulsory. Without herbarium, botany, especially plants, you have to know. That's why you have to purchase the herbarium and record, both are must and should. Right? Thank you very much. Okay, right. Have a nice day. Thank you.